Hello and welcome to Money Control. Let's catch up on the latest news from the stock market. From significant investments to major deals, quarterly earnings, order wins, appointment, and fundraising. Here's a quick look at which stocks will be in focus in today's trade. First up, LIC. The company has filed an appeal before the GST Appellate Authority, Tamil Nadu, against the order demanding GST of Rs 104 crore for financial year 2019 to 2020, along with interest of 45 lakh and a penalty of 11 crore. The financial impact of the demand is to the extent of the GST interest and penalty. There is no material impact on financials, operations, or other activities of the corporation, LIC said in an exchange filing. The second stock that is going to be in focus is Integrated Proteins. The company has issued and allotted up to 2 crore convertible equity warrants in one or more tranches on a preferential basis to a non-promoter entity in the public category for a cash consideration of 11.25. Third stock that is going to be in focus is Adani Green Energy. Adani Green Energy's wholly owned subsidiary Adani Saur Urja Limited has incorporated a step-down subsidiary named Adani Hydro Energy 5 Limited on Tuesday. The authorized capital and paid-up capital were both 1 lakh according to the exchange filing on the NSE. The main objective is to generate, develop, transform, distribute, transmit, sell and supply any kind of power or electrical energy through wind energy, solar energy or other renewable source of energy. Last week, Adani Green Energy reported strong financial health led by high liquidity levels and a strong EBITDA performance in the first half of the current fiscal year. The company's liquidity position was boosted by its sustained cash reserves, which gave a stockpile for its borrowing needs and created a buffer against potential market fluctuations. Fourth stock that is going to be in focus is KEC International. Infrastructure company KEC International Limited on Wednesday said it has secured turnkey orders worth Rs 1,704 crore in its transmission and distribution business from Power Grid Corporation of India Limited. The projects include the design, supply, installation of 765 kV transmission lines and GIS substations, further bolstering KEC leadership in the T&D sector. The company has secured prestigious turnkey orders of 1,704 crore in its transmission and distribution business for design, supply, installation of 765 kV transmission lines and GIS substations from Power Grid Corporation of India, the company said in an exchange filing. Fifth stock that is going to be in focus is Yes Bank. Yes Bank informed the change in SMP of the bank. Mr. Binu Soman has been appointed as Chief Vigilance Officer of the bank for the period of 3 years effective from December 14, who is also being categorized as SMP of the bank. Sandeep Mehra will be completing his term as CVO of the bank on December 13 and will be assuming a new role, which is not classified as SMP of the bank. Binu Soman is a seasoned professional in the investigation domain with experience of handling high-profile and sensitive cases in multiple geographies. He is a graduate from Kerala University. He is also a professionally certified fraud examiner, certified AML and KYC, and certified in the RAID technique of investigative interviewing and advanced interrogation.